This is Everyday Grammar. I'm Lucia.
And I'm Kaveh. Lucia, I'm considering buying a new car. Any thoughts?
Yes, am considering is the present continuous form of the verb consider, while buying is the gerund.
No, about what type of car I should get.
Oh, no, I don't know anything about that. The English language allows for the use of two ing words in a row.
Why is that?
In part because of the present participle. A present participle is a word that is formed from a verb and ends in ing. So one common situation is when the first ing word is part of a continuous verb tense, and the second ing word is a gerund.
I've been avoiding going to the doctor.
The present participle can act as a gerund, adjective, or part of a verb. When used with the verb to be, it forms continuous tenses.
Another situation is what we call go plus gerund. When go is in the continuous verb tense, you will see two ing words together.
We're going swimming this weekend. I'm going shopping for new shoes.
And another common structure in which two ing words appear together is verb plus adjective.
The situation is becoming appalling.
There are situations when more than two ing words appear together, but this often does not sound natural.
And that's everyday grammar.